We prefer to call ourselves your maintenance, restoration, and beautification experts. We specialize in cleaning properties, whether they're residential or commercial, and really getting the aesthetics of any particular said property, sprucing it up, enhancing it by making it look aesthetically pleasing. And clean never gets old, as we say. Right? You have a clean house. I mean, it's welcoming, right? There's our contact information here. We do the dry vent cleaning service, soft washing, used exteriors. We also do the surface cleaning, whether it's the patio, walkway, driveways. We do the gutter cleaning and solar panel cleaning. And we recently added to our service bird proofing. So again, visit us online at allterraine.com and